Today on J Ray's Kitchen, I want to be cooking up some trout on the grill. Let's get started. I've already got my charcoal grill set up, got the embers going, and they're already turned hot white. So I'm going to go ahead and spread those out and get the grill ready. So I'll put down 10 full to start. I just spread some oil all over that. And I try to keep it really basic with the ingredients to my trout. If I'm going to be grilling them, like I'm doing here, I just want to spread the oil out, get it all over the tinfoil, just like so. Get a good coat. And with trout, if you're grilling them, you don't have to use any kind of flour or any kind of seafood covering. But pick out a seasoning that you like. You can do a seafood seasoning, or I'm going to do Tony Chichera's bold Creole seasoning. I like it spicy. As you can hear and see, my grill is nice and hot, so it's not going to take these fish long. Look at how the meat's already just blowing up right there. Of course, these fish have already been cleaned, gutted and deheaded, beheaded, unheaded, whatever you want to say. Went out and caught these fish this morning. What a terrific day. I'm seasoning the inside of the fish. And I'm seasoning the outside. Both sides. Coat it really good. But it's important to get the inside seasoned, because that's a direct link to the meat. So we're going to go ahead and close the lid on this and let this cook for just a little bit. For about 3 or 4 minutes. And while we're waiting on those trout to cook, let's take a look at our onions. I set these in this raised bed back a little bit a few weeks ago. They're doing really good. They didn't have any growth on them at all hardly when I put them in the ground. They're coming up good. Now these are going to be sweet onions. It's a favorite thing for me to cook with. Alright, so it's been about 4 minutes now. Definitely looks like it's time to flip these things over. A good buddy of mine that I work with named Eugene Ipox bought me these along with the whole set. Pretty nice. So you may find that the trout sticks to the tinfoil a little bit. That's okay. A little tug and you can get it loose. Now that's already starting to kind of get blackened on that side, so no more than about 4 minutes. It doesn't take long. Not when you got hot charcoals underneath. Now you can find Tony Chichera's bold Creole seasoning on Amazon. Look in the description below for a link to the Amazon website where you can pick you up some of this today in a single pack or a pack of 3. If you're like me, you go through seasoning fast. Check it out, it's great. Alright, time to pull some fish off. I love the action. Don't forget this. Oh, the fish is about to fall apart. That's where these come in handy. They go right in. And if it's a smaller fish, it scoops it right up. But it will not debone them. And there you have it, grilled trout. Simple, easy, just clean them, use plenty of oil, season them how you like, and only about maybe 4 minutes on each side on the grill. Now you got a delicious meal and healthy too. Big thanks to my girlfriend's dad Tim for taking me fishing today and showing me some of his good spots. And special thanks to Brianna's Uncle Joe for inspiring me to make this video about this wonderful fish. Catch you next time on J. Ray's Kitchen. Look at that trout. Comes off the bone nice and easy. Absolutely terrific. Stupid mufflers. Yeah. Get what I did right there? I said catch you. Kind of like fish. Get it? Alright, you can laugh later. I'm not going to tell you where our secret fishing spot's at, but I'll show you how to cook them when I catch them. See you next time on J. Ray's Kitchen.